Lubrication Fundamentals, an inside guide from Top One. Motor lubricants have 5 main functions in your engine. A lubricant should lubricate all moving parts of the engine to minimize corrosion and wear. The lubricant should cool the engine by carrying heat away from the components to keep it running effectively. The lubricant should seal off the piston rings to prevent contamination, decrease leakage, and increase engine efficiency. The lubricant must be able to efficiently clean the engine by holding contaminants in suspension. And finally, the lubricant needs to prevent corrosion by neutralizing acids that could potentially combust or cause damage to the engine. What are the 3 main characteristics of motor oils? Quality, performance, and viscosity. The quality of your motor oil came from the base oil used. Base oil is the backbone of the lubricant. It makes up 80+% of the finished lubricant product. The type of base oil used defines a lubricant as a mineral, synthetic blend, or a fully synthetic product. Formulation combinations are involved when you purchase a bottle of motor oil. A mineral base oil plus an additive package equals mineral oil. A mineral base oil plus a synthetic base oil plus an additive package equals a synthetic blend or semi-synthetic motor oil. A synthetic base oil plus an additive package equals a 100% synthetic motor oil. Every bottle of Top One oil is clearly marked with the quality of oil inside. Synthetic base oils are hydrocracked quality. Hydrocracking is a high-temperature, high-pressure refining process. Hydrocracking produces straight-chain hydrocarbons. And hydrocracking has a very low number of sulfur, nitrogen, and other contaminants. Performance. Specialty chemicals called additives define the performance of a finished lubricant. Types of additives typically used in motor oils include dispersants, antioxidant, rust inhibitor, corrosion inhibitor, detergents, anti-wear agent, and viscosity improver. There are 2 main governing additive regulator entities that are used when manufacturing motor oil: API, the American Petroleum Institute, and JASO, the Japanese Automobile Standards Organization. API developed a classification system to identify oils formulated to meet the operating requirements of various engines for cars and trucks. There are 2 types of API categories, S and C. The S category is the service category for all gasoline engines. SA was originally issued when API was created in 1930. But as of today, SN is the current S category specification. Here you'll see the S category chart outlining the history of API's gasoline engine specifications. The American Petroleum Institute was created to certify that oil manufacturers' standards were being upheld. This ensures that all motor oils meet the specific demands of automobiles. As time passed, auto manufacturers began to increase their demands on their engine performance and emission requirements. This situation forced the API to increase their standards for engine oil specifications as well. This became a cycle where each new API category was created to replace the previous category with improved oil performance. As you can see, SJ through SN are the current API categories, while SA through SH are now obsolete. On all Top 1 bottles, the API classification can be found at this location. Viscosity. Definition: the thickness or resistance to flow of a fluid. SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers, has established a numerical code system for grading motor oil viscosity based on their characteristics. An important point to understand is that there are two types of SAE viscosity grades: monograde, multigrade. Monograde motor oils have limitations in performance and operating conditions. Also, it is considered an obsolete technology. On the other hand, multigrade motor oil is more technologically updated because of its increased operating conditions as well as performance capabilities. If you see this seal on your motor oil bottle, it represents that this product is approved by API and its viscosity meets the strict guidelines set by the SAE. Lower viscosity oil results in an increase in fuel efficiency. This means that drivers save on fuel economy. With the robust additive packages that are available today, motor lubricants can be lighter in viscosity and yet still provide excellent protection. Top 1 is a synthetic lubricant specialist brand. Top 1's formulations are licensed and approved by API, JASO, FIM, and OEMs, including Volkswagen, Porsche, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and others. The formulation philosophy at Top 1 is simple: going beyond specifications to maximize performance.